Alright folks, welcome back to another episode of Let's Get Growing. In today's episode we're actually going to get stuck into preparing our first lot of beds here in the backyard. We're going to turn over the soil, but first up we're going to measure up and see what size garden bed we're going to have. So let's get stuck into it. So we're looking at roughly about 2 meters by, on that fence. Alright, so we've got 2 meters across, 2.6 long, so we're going to try and get 3 rows in this space. We're going to do the bed width of about 40 centimeters each. So now let's grab our Dutch hoe and get turning over the old weeds and root systems. As you can see, the soil here isn't the greatest. Obviously we've got some rocks, it's really clayey mix, so I'll have to get stuck into this, add a bit of organic matter to it, a bit of that chook manure. Alright, so since the soil's pretty compacted, what I'm going to do is get the old trusty mattock here and actually get stuck into it, really try and break up this soil. Let's have another go. Good job, bud. Think that's enough? So this is where we haven't done, obviously, and then this is where we have done. It's just loosened up that top layer of soil. I'm absolutely puffed. Let's just go along. Loosen up that top layer. Up, don't we?
And we don't want any rocks like this one. That's why I over to fence.
Alright, while River stops throwing rocks over the fence, now it's time to get underneath here. We've got our chook manure, so I have to cover that for the dogs to stop the dogs getting in there and munching on it. Now we're going to spread that out over the soil. So chook manure spread out, now it's time for some compost. I'm lucky enough that I'm able to get my hands on some fine compost from one of the hospitals here in Melbourne. They've got a commercial grade composting machine and they get this beautiful organic matter which is used from all the food scraps from around the hospital. They put it into this machine. It takes about 8 hours to break it all down and it turns into this, looks like coffee grains almost, but it's super nutrient dense and we're going to chuck this on the garden and it's going to be absolute beauty. Alrighty, so composting is now all spread out. I've got some cow manure, so I'm going to break that down and chuck that over the top as well. We're really trying to build up as much of organic matter as we can. As I said, this soil here wasn't that great in this spot, so we're really trying to give it the best start that we can. So time to spread out some cow manure. Mix it all up and down, so you break it right through. Good job, bud. Alright folks, what do you reckon? All done for today?
Yeah.
Alright, so we've mixed through a lot of chook manure, compost, cow manure.
And it's getting a little bit like I wasn't in that video and now that's sent me in it.
Yeah, it's getting a little bit late, so we're going to head in now and we're going to give Hendrix a bath, aren't we?
Yes, and after that, we will all fall asleep.
That's it. So next video is going to be us making the beds. So we're going to be lining them up and then forming the beds. So we'll hopefully you'll stick around for that one and we'll see you then.
Yes. I am going to stay awake.